Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Kumshi banta ban Pynsaphriang ya ka Khubor ban ya khun Pyrshah ya jingdi jingbam Pynbuan ka Office Traikam u District Sports Officer DSO Bhoi District ha ka arpusaw trek jellio arhaja arpun riu kala Pynlong ya jingyat pajba lani ka rally daki baik kumbasan kilometer ka belas dang na saidan bat penkot hanong po ha ka ni ka jingyat rally la shim banta daki khun samla na ka thain nong po palai don banta langru do District Sports Officer Bhoi District uba Bobby L Nongbat Lakawe lama ya kenika rally kum kada kajing sedang dakakong Rida Shisha Lendam Senior Coach Nakatanat Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya. Hadian kenela Pynlong ru ya ke program lengkot hakamat ke Nongpo Shopping Complex ban pensyai pajba halor kajing temu jong ke rally bat ban ai jing tip sapang kajing ya le Pyrshah jong kitanat sorkar baper ban rat dingkong ya kajing pendon kam ya kajing di jingbam penbuan kibala ban kta jor ya kakot kakhia jong kinong shong snong kam tam ki khun samla. Haganika program la don lang do Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District u Dr. Abhishek Saini kumukongsan kakong NF Sun District Social Welfare Officer Ujir Rabha DSP Traffic Bhoi kakong Rida Shisha Lendam Senior Coach na ka Directorate of Sport and Youth Affairs Meghalaya lembat kiwe ki he officer na kitanat sorkar baper Kinong keran hagaring kesengi kila banjur halor ke jingdon kam banya trailang hapadeng ke sorkar kisnong ki thau bat ki samla banya khun Pyrshah ya ke jingkerni ha ki jingdi jingbam penbuat khnang bantai ya ke emlang sa alang ka bakot bakhya bat ka basngan na kini ki jingma
And the power of youth has an important contribution in the development of society and country. Therefore, it is very important that maximum number of youth join the Drok Free India campaign. Accepting this challenge of the country, today we unite under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Atiar.
That please stay away from drugs. As simple as that. Drugs not just destroy the person, their family, the society, everyone. And in the short term, they might give some pleasure, but in the long term, they completely ruin your life. And the solution is very simple. You just have to say no. Whoever tells you, let us try this, it feels very good, let us experiment, you simply have to say no to drugs. Ong M-U drug. So that is a very simple solution, and I would urge all the youth to take, participate in one particular sport that you like, at least. Because the sport will give you the same feeling, same happiness, same euphoria, and it will improve your health rather than using drugs for the happiness which will destroy your health. So when you take up the sport, when you play football, cricket, whatever, cycling, you get that feeling of euphoria, happiness, and at the same time you are improving your health and you are contributing positively to the society. And whatever problem you are facing, always talk to your parents, your friends who are there to help you. Don't depend on drugs or fall back on such kind of habits. And as our DSP has mentioned that this is Nasha Mukt Bharat, it includes the drinking also. So please say no to drunk driving. And this highway is a very busy highway. Many accidents take place because of drinking and drunk driving. So please don't indulge in drinking and driving and obey all the traffic rules. We want to keep the district as safe as possible, and that is my appeal to all of you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko Office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.